The $1 million mindset, it's achievable. This mindset is not just a dream, but a reality that many have achieved, and you can too. Many people think becoming a millionaire is impossible. They see the challenges and obstacles and feel overwhelmed. They believe it's only for a lucky few. They think that only those who win the lottery or inherit wealth can reach such heights. This is simply not true. The reality is that with the right approach, anyone can achieve financial success. With the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial freedom. It involves planning, dedication, and a willingness to take calculated risks. It starts with believing in yourself and your ability to create wealth. Self-belief is the foundation upon which all success is built. You need to visualize yourself as a millionaire and act accordingly. Visualization helps in setting clear goals and staying focused. This means making smart financial decisions, investing wisely, and educating yourself continuously about financial matters, and constantly seeking opportunities to grow your wealth. Networking and building relationships can open doors to new opportunities. Remember, becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and persistence. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Continuous learning and self-improvement are key. But with the dedication and perseverance, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive in. The path to becoming a millionaire is filled with learning, growth, and exciting milestones. Shifting your perspective. From scarcity to abundance. This journey begins with a change in mindset, a fundamental shift in how you view the world and your place in it. One of the biggest obstacles to becoming a millionaire is a scarcity mindset. This mindset is rooted in the fear that resources are limited and that there isn't enough to go around. This is the belief that there's not enough money to go around, leading to fear and limiting beliefs about wealth. It creates a cycle of anxiety and stress, making it difficult to see opportunities for growth and prosperity. To attract wealth, you need to shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. This means recognizing that there is plenty of wealth and opportunities available for everyone. Start by appreciating what you already have. Take a moment each day to reflect on the positive aspects of your life. Be grateful for your health, relationships, and opportunities. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can transform your outlook and attract more positive experiences. This positive energy will attract more abundance into your life. When you focus on the good, you invite more good to come your way. Next, focus on creating value for others. Think about how you can contribute to the well-being and success of those around you. When you provide value, whether through a product, service, or your time, you naturally attract wealth in return. The more you give, the more you receive. Remember, money is simply a tool that can help you live a more fulfilling life. It's not the end goal, but a means to achieve your dreams and aspirations. By adopting an abundance mindset, you'll open yourself up to endless possibilities. You'll start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles, and your path to wealth will become clearer and more attainable. Mastering your money, budgeting for success. Budgeting is a crucial skill that can transform your financial life. You can't achieve financial freedom without mastering your money. It's about taking control and making informed decisions. This means understanding where your money is going and creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, a budget is your roadmap. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. The key is to be consistent and honest about your spending, or even a simple notebook. Write down every expense, no matter how small. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back. Look for non-essential expenses that can be reduced or eliminated. Next, create a realistic budget that allocates your income towards your needs, wants, and savings goals. Make sure to prioritize essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. This may seem challenging, but it's a crucial step towards financial security. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account to make saving easier. This may seem challenging, but even small changes can make a big difference over time. For example, making coffee at home instead of buying it daily, or cooking meals at home instead of dining out, can save you a significant amount of money. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices with your money and prioritizing your financial well-being. Enjoying simple pleasures that don't break the bank can be just as fulfilling. It's about making conscious choices with your money and prioritizing your financial well-being. By organizing your finances and sticking to your budget, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy peace of mind. Investing wisely, building wealth over time. Saving money is essential, but it's not enough to make you a millionaire. To grow your wealth significantly, you need to invest your money wisely. Start by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. There are many resources available online and in libraries. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to get personalized advice. Remember, investing involves risk, but it also offers the potential for significant returns. By diversifying your investments and investing for the long term, you can minimize your risk and maximize your earning potential. Don't be afraid to start small. Even a small amount invested regularly can grow exponentially over time thanks to the power of compound interest. The power of side hustles, creating multiple income streams. Relying solely on one income stream can limit your earning potential. Creating multiple income streams through side hustles is a powerful way to accelerate your path to millionaire status. Think about your skills and interests. What services or products can you offer? Can you freelance, consult, or sell handmade goods online? The internet has opened up countless opportunities to generate income from home. Explore different options and find something that excites you. Remember, a side hustle is not just about making extra money, it's also about developing new skills, gaining valuable experience, and building multiple streams of income that can provide financial security. Learning from the best millionaire success stories. One of the best ways to learn how to become a millionaire is to study the strategies of those who have already achieved it. Read biographies of successful entrepreneurs and investors. Listen to podcasts and watch interviews to gain insights into their mindset, habits, and decision-making processes. Pay attention to common themes that emerge. You'll likely find that many millionaires are passionate about their work, take calculated risks, and never stop learning and growing. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from the mistakes and successes of others to shorten your learning curve and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Overcoming obstacles. Perseverance is key. The road to becoming a millionaire is rarely smooth. You'll encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. The key is to persevere and never give up on your dreams. When faced with challenges, remind yourself of your why. Why is it important for you to achieve financial freedom? What are you working towards? Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your vision. Seek mentorship from those who have already achieved what you desire. Remember, every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Becoming a millionaire is not about luck or privilege. It's about making a conscious decision to take control of your financial future and taking consistent action towards your goals. Start by implementing the strategies we've discussed today. Shift your mindset, master your money, invest wisely, explore side hustles, and learn from the best. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today and never look back. Take action today. Secure your financial future. Now that you have the knowledge and tools to start building your million-dollar future, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or for all the stars to align. Start small, be consistent, and never underestimate the power of compound growth. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make it a bright one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more financial advice and inspiration.